Hey, before the video starts, I just want to say that I have just launched my editing course, and I truly believe that it is the best course you can find online, because before doing it, I pretty much like bought and watched 3 courses, and I know for a fact this is the best one. And the good news is that for the next 22 days, it's only $1, right? It's only $1. And in this course, you're gonna learn how to use Premiere Pro. Along with that, you're gonna learn all of my editing secrets that got me over 120 million views on YouTube alone. So go check it out, and now let's go to the video that you came here to watch.
What's this guy doing?
Oh my god, someone's broke into my house. Editing some videos. This intro sucks. So this video, I just want to show you what you can get with video editing. There's a lot of videos online where people brag about, hey, look at me. I mean, this is a pretty nice house, so look at me. But I just want to give you guys a bit of motivation, show around the house, so that you can do this, because this house is $600 a month.
This is officially the smallest apartment in all of New York City, measuring just 55 square feet, or just about 5.1 meters squared. And this place is on the market for $1,400 per month. Do you think it's worth it? Just found a room for rent on Facebook Marketplace, and they're charging £700 for this. I'm sorry, and you have an laugh. 700 British pounds. It genuinely looks like a prison cell.
But yeah, I'll show you. We'll start outside and we'll go in. There's a formula to this that I've come up with. No one else has thought of it but my big brain, you see. I'm not gonna tell the formula, but there is one. I'm just gonna oh, maybe no. Watch till the end. I will reveal the secret formula. Around. That's a hill. I come here to piss. So if the toilets are upstairs, if I just don't want to go up, boom. At night it's pretty chill. Got a gate. If I'm not editing this, if anyone was editing this, censor this. Don't show that on camera. I'll show you a bicycle. It's like a motorbike. It's my own motorbike. I've been riding this for 2 months. Pretty cool. You can get it for $80 a month, $100 a month. This is my friend's Pufta bike.
This one's the fastest one.
No, this is Pufta.
This one, why do I always beat you home?
That's the Butty Boy bike.
Why?
The BBB. The triple
BBB. It goes exactly the speed limit, which is 80. Boom.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Alright, show you guys inside the house. Anyway, I mean the formula is basically you get 4 clients paying you $250 a week. So you do 4 videos a week, and then that's $1,000 a week, which I mean this is seeming overkill for here. So
did someone clean?
Oh wow, it's so clean.
So clean.
It's so clean that you could lick the floors.
Tuna can even lick the floors. Watch.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lick the floor.
This is exclusive.
Why no?
So you can lick the floor.
I'm not gonna lick the floor.
Okay, it's clean though.
This is Rocket Man.
This is our water.
Yeah, so in Thailand you need to drink water, unlike other countries. I'll show you what I edit, what I do my work. So I got this table here. Pretty nice scenery, I can just look at the mountains when I'm editing from here. You edit like this, and then you got the mountains there. Pretty nice. Got 2 bean bags here. You wanna cuddle up with someone. And actually, like this video, a lucky viewer I will fly them to Thailand so they can cuddle with me on the this videos to get flown out to here. This is my guitar I bought. Pretty nice guitar. Oh yeah, pretty much it. A nice sofa, bench thing, table. Yeah. I'll show you upstairs. That's the attic, maybe storage under the stairs. It'll be so easy to roll us now. This is the view you see when you're coming up. Pretty nice view. And then I'll show you guys the room, which is pretty messy, but whatever. So I have some compartments here. Gotta close this. This is my view. Pretty nice. So when I'm on the bed, this is what I see. Pretty cool. Yeah. So I just wanna show you guys outside the area. There's like a big general guy. He's my idol. Like a 3-minute walk away. Just wanna show that. Wanna show you my truck. I have a really nice truck I got. Real piece of beef. Yeah.
What truck?
Hello. Oh. Alright, oh sure, let's go this way, wrong way. Show you guys the cows. They're my friends, they're here every day. They're scary as fuck though.
Yep.
They're genuinely scary.
I know. I've almost been killed. I've been chased by a cow. I've been pushed over and almost stomped on by a cow. And here we go again.
That one looks scary. Oh, that one looks cute. That one's the boss.
He looks a bit like you. Wait, can we just... Yo. Tuna, I think it's your family.
Look at, zoom in on his testicles.
Okay.
Why not? No, I think you should add animal testicles on.
Of course, yeah.
Hey yo, Wagwan Basi. Big ups. Those are the cows, and then that right there is the Guan Yu shrine or statue or something like that. Maybe show them like up the mountains, like the village there.
Yeah.
Pretty nice village there. I think they cost like $2,000 a month. I'll just show you the shrine, and then yeah, that'll be the end of the video. There's a cute calf. You know, I said cute calf. When I,
Oh, when you say cute calf.
yeah, you need to film the cute calf.
You need to film the cute calf. I was filming the locals. I was trying to compute everything he was saying all at once.
Oh yeah, that's my truck.
Your truck belongs to you?
Yes.
Looks like you need to service it.
Perfect condition. Can we like put this on Facebook Marketplace? Yeah, those are my dogs as well. I own them. Yo, come here. See? Yeah, it's coming. That's where I put my yacht. My $1 million yacht. That's my chicken. Gonna use when you grow up. Yeah.
Boom.
Look at that. Balling. Start from the bottom, now we're here. So yeah, you know, buy my course and you can have a truck like this. Link in the description. You want a truck like this? Buy my course. You know, in one day you can have a truck like this.
It's only $1.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, it's $1.
It's only $1 for the next 28 days, and then the promotion ends.
Then it turns to 150.
Then it goes back to 35. But then guess what?
It goes
I'll
back.
probably do another promotion.
Could
but,
be promoted
yeah,
again. So don't pay 35, guys. Wait.
Yeah. Or pay now $1.
Pay now $1. Or you could even donate.
Donate. Yeah, I mean, I guess.
So Tuna can finally afford some protein.
I can afford protein. Can you not see this? No, the thing is, if I didn't buy clothes, I could have afforded protein easily.
True.
And plus, I might get, like, if I'm gonna finish this job, it's gonna be 140. Gonna get another job for 300, so yeah, I'll probably go for protein, like,
You can even afford the rent.
I know. The full rent.
The full rent.
Oh no. Oh, show them the gym.
There's a gym here?
Yeah.
Wow.
You didn't know?
No, I never knew.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
This is how we make huge. Like it work. See, you want to get huge, build big muscle. This is what you do.
What does that train?
Everything.
His whole body, I think.
Yeah. See that? getting huge.
Oh wow, yeah,
Look at
this
this. Huge.
is hard.
Okay, anyway, let's show. So yeah, that's the Chinese General Guan Yu. Felt like coming here. It's usually open in the mornings. And if you want to pause the video and read it, here are his like accomplishments. I like reading where it says honesty, loyalty, and grateful, constancy, ethical behavior, and bravery and courage. And the weird thing is, like, we are in 2016, but like the Asian people, they're in like 2500s, which is like insane to think about.
Should we go down there?
Go to the beach. Yeah. Okay. You want to do a beach tour?
Of course.
Yeah.
I've never even been, and I live here.
Yeah, look at him. He's never been to the beach. So, oh yeah, sure. This is the roads. Like, what? This is like a 2-minute walk away. We live like 2 minutes away from the beach. Look at the sky. Look at the like roads. It's so beautiful. Oh, watch out. Yeah, I got beautiful sand, beautiful grass. You can see like the rest of the island here. Pretty nice stuff. That's like kind of the house tour. Hopefully this has been like motivational. I was like in a tent living in a crack house 2 years ago now.
That was my home. It wasn't a crack house. It was my home.
So, was there any crack done in your house?
No.
Oh, okay. A crack house without any crack.
Crackless.
Huh?
It was crackless.
Yeah, crackless, but it had some weed in it, some hash.
It had some weed. It had some alcohol. It had some bad vibes. I think it had a ghost.
Did it? It probably did.
I think it had a ghost or two. It had some bad smells as well.
It was mostly good.
It had some hair all over the bathroom. I have a hairless body.
Yes, it was my head. I didn't think it
True.
was my hair, it was my head. But yeah, I mean, so nice, so serene. And
Yeah.
if you're watching this channel, I wish that on you, and I'll do my best to teach you what I can.
I agree. So then he's going to teach me. I'm going to become the chief video editor of my own life and live on a beach forever. And I'm never coming home. And I'm going to wake up every day, I'm going to drink a cocktail, and then I'm going to go for a swim.
Yeah, and then we're gonna brag about it on Instagram to you lot stuck in your fucking shitty jokes.
What do you mean? I'm just going to go dark. Oh yeah, true. We're going to brag
because
about
if
it.
you live on an island, you have to like talk down to people. Because like you're superior.
Tomorrow, my plan is to wake up, go to the outdoor gym on the island, drink a raw coconut.
Did they actually give you coconuts?
Yeah, there's just raw coconuts that you can just drink.
I think.
And then after I'm done training,
How am I throwing it? That's
I'll
my
probably
shirt!
just-
Why are you throwing my shirt?
I'll close up to the shirt. And then after I'm sweaty, I'll just go for a swim. The water's actually warm.
Yeah, it's always warm, it's never cold. By the way, this beach is like pretty dirty. That's why you don't see anyone swimming here. Should I leave you here?
Yeah, go on.
He's drowning. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Alright, bye.